Here's a closer look at the Bio Oil skincare oil. I put some here on my hand, and as you can see, it's an oil-like texture. I have not rubbed it in or anything. I just put it on the back of my hand, but it's not so oily that it just like drips everywhere. So it still sticks to my hand. This stuff is amazing. It helps to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks, but look at everything else that it does. It works for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging and dehydrated skin, and it has something called porcelain oil in it. So this little bottle will last you a long time. There is no smell at all. Here's a closer look. You can see a little bit better. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't leave your skin greasy feeling at all. It says you can apply twice a day. I love this when I come out of the shower. Really amazing.